Hello and welcome to the Tigrepupbeauty channel. In this video, I'm going to be recoloring this 5x5 closure wig. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like before we begin. As you can see, it has this blonde hair color. And honestly, I don't think it was very suitable for my complexion. So in this video, I'm going to change that. So if you would like to see how this all turns out, then please keep watching. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like before we begin. I've already pinned it to this canvas wig block so we can get started on the hair coloring portion of the video. We're going to be using a semi-permanent hair color because we don't want to damage the hair any further. As you can see, it's already been lightened, and the reason why it's looking pretty frizzy right now is because I did a diffuser technique in order to encourage the natural curl. So we're gonna off camera, I've shampooed the hair and conditioned it as usual, and right here I've just shampooed the hair, and I'm going to roll the hair in this towel in order to get it kind of like dry so that I can go back and apply the hair color, because right now it's sopping wet. And I'm going to roll the hair like this in order to dry the hair, and I'm going to leave it in this towel for about 20 minutes. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you how to protect your canvas wig block so you don't get it very discolored. Even though mine's is very discolored, I definitely don't want it orange, stained orange. So that's what you see me doing here, and it's my recommendation that you do the same. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the colors that I'm going to be using. It's Orange Blaze and Cajun Spice. Okay, so right now I'm just filling it with the Orange Blaze. So I guess you can call this a custom hair color. So I was trying to get as much of the Orange Blaze as I could get out of the container. So that's what you see me doing here. Orange Blaze has like a very unusual color. It's very unlike all the other colors. But anyway, right here I'm going in with my Cajun Spice. I had plenty of this one. So I'm just going to make sure I squeeze as much as I can. I'm putting in an applicator bottle because I need to mix the two colors together instead of having them separate and then applying on top of each other. That's the way I prefer to do it. And as we can see, it's the Cajun Spice. Okay, so now that I've let the hair dry from the inside out by rolling it like I showed you in the previous clip, to dry the hair so it's not sopping wet, so when we apply the hair color, it can actually stain the hair. Right now I'm just detangling the hair to make sure I don't have any tangles, so that when I go to apply the hair color, I don't have any missed spots and whatnot. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so right here I'm going to section off a portion of the front of the hair because I want the front portion to be slightly lighter than the back. And this is a technique you can use if you're doing your hair color on your wig at home to add a little bit more interest into the finished look. Okay, so right here I'm going to start at the top of the head where the lace is still connected in this little area right here. And then I'm going to apply it as close to the root as I can without actually touching the root, because we don't want to stain our lace closure. And I'm going to make sure I take my comb, as we can see here, and comb it a little bit closer if I could to the lace closure without touching it. So that's what you're going to see me do here, doing both sides to make sure I get thorough saturation. Here I am making sure that I got small sections so that I don't miss any spots. Okay, so once I'm satisfied with the amount of color that I have on the hair, I'm going to comb that through and make sure I get those ends and mid shafts uh, evenly coated with the semi-permanent hair color, okay? And I'm going to continue working on this, and I'll be back for further commentary. Hopefully you could see what I'm doing so you could actually do this at home. In the very back, once I get past the lace portion, I can be a little bit more sloppy, if that makes any sense, when applying the hair color, because it has tracks back there, and there's no risk of staining. And anyway, even if I was to stain it, it would be the cap, and the cap is black, so you wouldn't see it anyway. Plus, I have all the hair on top of it, and you can't see that. So just continue watching, and I'll be back for further commentary. Okay, so as you see me applying the hair color, I'm going to comb it in to make sure I have even coverage. This is the reason why it was important to detangle the hair in the very beginning, so we wouldn't have so much trouble getting the comb through, and we can make sure that the hair color has been thoroughly saturated throughout the entire strand of the hair, and we don't have any missed spots, so we won't have any uneven color in our final result. So that's what you see me doing here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. If you find my videos helpful or beneficial and you would like to make a contribution to the channel, please contribute to my Cash App. The link will be listed in the description section down below. Thanks. Okay, so as you can see, we're running low and I'm running out of product, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the Sunrise Orange. Apparently I said the wrong hair color, but it's Sunrise Orange. I think I remember picking up the wrong shade when I went to the beauty supply store. So sorry about that mix-up, but I'm going to add a little bit of Crystal Clear because I want to dilute the hair color in the front, so that it's not as light as the back, so we can add a little bit more dimension to our overall hair color. So the back will have one solid hair color, Cajun Spice and Sunrise Orange, and in the front we're going to have whatever that mixture was plus a little bit more of the Sunrise Orange mixed with the Crystal Clear. And I'm trying to concentrate the Sunrise Orange and Cajun Spice in the very front, in the top, well, I'm sorry, the root. Right here, I'm just going to do the sides and everything, but at the very top, you're going to see me do something a little bit different. So just continue watching. Okay, so if you've just seen me apply that mixture that I custom made on the roots and on the sides and at the very top, on the ends, I added a little bit more Crystal Clear in order to dilute the hair color a little bit more, in the hopes that this very top portion will be a lot lighter than all of the hair combined. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'm just working that hair color through, trying to get an even blend from the roots to the ends. Right there I was just showing you the difference between the two, and hopefully it'll make a difference at the end of this video. Hey, did you know I sell wigs? I sell 5x5 closure wigs of varying cap sizes, cuts, colors, styles, okay? And I'm going to be getting into lace frontal, but right now I'm just doing the closure wigs because it's easier to maintain and whatnot, and it's beginner friendly. So if you were in the market to purchase a closure wig, then please check out my webpage, as you can see, at www.tigrepupbeauty.com. Tpup is short for Tigrepupbeauty, to make it a little bit easier instead of a long text. So check it out. Thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so before I continue, I just want to let you know I did stick underneath the dryer for about 30 minutes with a plastic cap. Right here, I'm just showing you what the hair color looked like before we began coloring the hair on the canvas wig block. And right here, this is the hair color afterwards. As you can see, it's a lot more vibrant. I did give her a trim off camera. And yeah, just giving you a total 360 so you can see what's going on now. Okay, so here's a reminder of the hair color when it was on my head. As you can see, it has that very blonde hair color. And right here, I've done a little bit different. I've gone ahead and used that sunrise orange and Cajun spice. Apparently, I rolled it in the wrong direction. That's why it's doing that, and I wasn't too happy about that. But we're going to take a look at the hair color because that's the most important part of this video. Just going to give you a 360. As you can see, the hair is a little bit lighter in the front. Hopefully you can see a variation in tone, so it's not just one monotone hair color. And we've toned the highlights that were in the hair. The dark brown portions apparently haven't been colored because we use a semi-permanent hair color, and it's really very not much damage. Well, not any damage at all when you're applying it to hair, because it only coats the hair. And yeah, so that's what you see here. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, maybe learned something new in the process, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
Tigrepupbeauty.